5 tips how to read when you hate reading. Tip 1. Start small and short. Don't start with a 700-page fantasy novel. That's like trying to lift 200 pounds on your first gym day. Instead, start small. Short stories, blogs, comic books, or graphic novels, even chapter books for kids. Seriously, no shame. Try reading just 5 pages a day or 1 short article. That small win builds confidence, and it's way better than forcing yourself through something you secretly hate. Tip 2. Read what you actually like. Forget the classics, unless you're into them. You don't have to read what's considered smart. You just need to read what actually keeps you turning pages. Love crime documentaries? Read true crime. Obsessed with drama? Go for romance or fan fiction. Even Reddit counts. If you're engaged, it's working. The key is to follow your curiosity. Read about what you care about, not what some list says you should. Tip 3. Try audiobooks. Can't focus on pages? No problem. Try audiobooks. They're perfect for multitasking. Listen while driving at the gym. While cleaning or walking, a great narrator can make it feel like a movie in your head. Start with something fast-paced or funny. Keep your brain locked in. And yes, audiobooks totally count as reading. Tip 4. Make it a ritual, not a chore. Reading doesn't have to feel like homework, so make it part of your chill time. Light a candle, grab a snack, sit somewhere comfy. Read while sipping coffee in the morning, or wind down with a few pages before bed. When you make it a daily ritual, it feels less like work and more like self-care. Tip 5. Mix it up with visuals. Text-heavy books not your thing? Try graphic novels, manga, or comics. There are so many beautiful, engaging stories told with visuals, and they're not just for kids. It's a great way to stay focused and enjoy the story in a completely different way.